Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed, and well, really I didn't even have to install it. This is a glueless unit from ISEE Hair. As you guys can see, it is no glue involved, and this unit is so freaking beautiful, so I cannot wait to show you guys how I got this look. But before we hop into this video, I'm going to need you guys to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm waiting if you subscribe, be you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, let's hop right into y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the unit looks like after I just have set it on my head. I'll take it off and put it back on so you guys will believe me. Like, it literally looks that good, and all I had to do was just snap this thing on. And what I like about this wig the most is that it already came bleached and plucked. As you guys can see, like, the hairline already looks super natural. All I really have to do is just define my part and just add some quick layers in this unit, and honestly it already looks good, like so good. So I'm just about to make a few enhancements on this wig. I think I may cut a little bang. I saw some inspo pictures, so I'm feeling a little bit creative, so we'll see what I pull together. But really all I'm going to do is go through with maybe like a wax stick and some hairspray, and then I'm just going to basically just make the unit look like my hair as much as I can. I don't want to straighten out the hair too much. I just kind of want to direct the hair in a way that I want it to go. Alright, so now we can go in and start to create these layers. I'm gonna start with this part of my hair. I'm just gonna take like a little bang area, yep, about this much, and then I'm gonna twist the hair. And since the hair is curly, I don't want a blunt cut, so I'm just going to kind of cut into the hair like this, because I don't want the line to be straight across. It's already looking a million times better already. And then what I'm just gonna do with the rest of the hair is I'm gonna just take it, pull out some pieces, and I'm just gonna cut into the hair, and I'm gonna point my scissors down so that it's more of a like a gradient, you know? And I'm going for more of a round shape, so I'm going to cut the top of my hair a little bit shorter, then I'm going to cut the bottom parts of my hair. And you want to kind of keep playing with the hair as you're cutting it to make sure that you're getting the proper shape. So every time I cut a layer, you guys will kind of see me go back into the hair and just kind of like move it around and see what other pieces I need to go in and cut. All right, so that's all I'm gonna start with now. What I'm gonna do is go through and redefine some of these curls. So I'm gonna use a spray bottle, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of like some curling cream or some gel to just form the curls around my finger, and this way we'll be able to really see the curl pattern more of this wig. And when I tell y'all, it is gorgeous. Like, this is so pretty. Like, I can't even begin to tell you guys how good it looks in person, and honestly it looks good like this. Like, and I have already been wearing this wig, and people have been thinking that is my natural hair. So if they think that, then y'all already know that it looks so good in person. So I'm just kind of wetting the top of the hair, and then I'm just gonna use some gel, and I'm going to finger detangle this hair and just use some gel and just wrap it, kind of coil it around my finger. I want those pretty coils, especially in the front of my hair. Can see some of the bigger clumps are towards my face, and that is very, very intentional. Once the hair dries, I'm gonna blow dry it, of course, after I get done doing all of the defining, and basically it's just gonna have so much definition in the front, and that's exactly what I'm going for. All right, so now that I have the hair pretty much on the top and the outside defined. I'm just gonna take my blow dryer. I don't have a diffuser, but if I did have a diffuser, I would use it. So I'm just gonna use my blow dryer and just go through and dry the hair. And as I'm drying it, I'm gonna do this motion on my hair to kind of make the curls a little bit more bouncy and just give that overall round shape that I'm going for. So now that the hair is about 80% dry, I'm just gonna go in and cut a little bit more out of the bang because I just want more layers than what I'm seeing. So I'm just cutting it right above my eye and around my eye. So I feel like the hair is about 90% dry. So now what I'm gonna do is go through and pick the hair, and this is just gonna add a little bit more volume. So I need to find one of my wide combs. I have not used a wide comb in a very long time, so let me try to find one and then we're gonna pick it out. Okay, now I found one, and now I'm just gonna go through and just lift this hair up. And I'm also gonna go into the hair. Okay, so you guys, this is the finished look. I feel like it looks so freaking cute and natural. The last thing that I have to do is just add a little bit of makeup onto the lace, but you really can't even see the lace. But this is just, you know, if the wind decides to blow back, can't see nothing, you know what I'm saying? And of course this wig is still 100% glueless, no glue involved. All I had to do was throw her on and cut some layers into her, and she's looking so cute. Like, I love this wig. I think this is gonna be my new like throw on wig, because I always aim for a straight wig and just throw on a hat whenever I'm having like a bad hair day or something. But this wig, I don't even have to wear a hat. Like, it's covered. You don't have to worry about any lace. This is literally perfect for a bad hair day or just an everyday wig to throw on, and it's gonna be cute every time. And I love the way that this came out. I just want to say thank you, ISEE, for sending me this wig. I am so in love, like so in love. I cannot wait to wear this wig. Like, I think this is about to be my wig for real. Like, I'm looking at it in the mirror, and I might even cut like a couple more layers into it later. But for right now, this is so cute to me. Like, this is like perfect. The curl pattern, everything is just reminding me so much of my natural hair, and it just mimics natural hair all together. And I just love the way that it looks. Like, it's so freaking beautiful. I feel so pretty in it. But that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it or learned something. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel, because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.